everyone has a price target in AMC. Everyone, which is natural because when you enter, when you start an investment, you need to have an exit strategy. You need to know exactly at what levels you need to start being flat, even and start making money on your capital invested. And that is also true, and even more true with AMC stock. Now, I posted some thoughts on from mine yesterday and the day before around managing expectations, especially if we come into a situation where they remove the sell button like they did remove the buy button in January of 2021. And also, I was kind of mentioning managing, the price target, because my price target will not be your price target. But I feel like the hedges are now trying to use that in order to scare us out, or to, minimize the gains we can have in this play. As a matter of fact, a lot of people have been, watching trades around, some lives, and he mentioned something around, the price target being at not the price target, but selling AMC around 250. And Peter Hand picked up on this based on close examination of a blueberry Pop-Tart. I concluded that I should sell my AMC shares at $250. No, wait a second, no. Remember, no one, even SEC, knows the size of the synthetics, the price of the synthetics involved in this play. So in terms of price target, how can we even start and begin to figure that out? Because nobody knows. The only people knowing that info are the people who created and manufactured those synthetics, aka hedges. All right? And price anchoring is an attempt to establish norms, but this isn't normal. Price anchoring is like, okay, this is going to be poop. I'm going to pin it here, and this is where we should all sell, or this is where it's going to go, or how high it's going to go. But I guess this is not. I mean, we can all have some targets in mind. We can all have some levels, some prices, some numbers in mind based on how high it can go. But the reality is, nobody really knows. Nobody really knows how high it will go. But we can only guess. But we've heard, rumors of the synthetics being around billions of shares. Billions of shares. So if billions of shares will to be bought back when the shorts start covering and ends the whole process of covering, that can lead the price, if everybody holds, to unimaginable highs. I don't even want to start thinking about that. That goes to the whole $100,000 a share floor or ceiling, whatever. All right. But I also know that since the two last years we've been here, they had opportunities to let this go and they didn't. They had opportunities where we were supposed to start, getting our 10 days, like, the latest runs, like AMC will be up 10, 12%, 15% pre-market, and we end the day being red or flat. If they were able to do that for these last 2 years, why do we think they won't be in a position to also limit our gains when it comes to the time for us to sell? All right. So I'm not saying AMC cannot go as high as anybody thinks. I'm just saying we've been here. Let's not dream and be realistic and be smart and stay a step ahead of them, because they won't let this go as easily. All right. And based on that, I want to be smart. And by being smart, it means I already have a couple of price targets in mind. I already have a couple of exits. I already have my exit strategy in mind. I know exactly at which price I'm going to start selling, maybe 10% or maybe 50% or maybe everything. All right. But that is just me, because my position size is different from your position size. The money I need to be financially free is not the money you need to be financially free. The fact that my financial situation for my household is totally different from yours makes us also totally having a separate price target, which will make more sense for us to get out of this play. All right. The fact that I have other stocks, the fact that I've been investing in the market for a lot more time than you, the fact that I have, a lot of things come into play here. But but it doesn't mean we should aim for the highest, which we should maximize and optimize our profits, because that's what we want to do in any investments. All right, let's just be smart about it and remain one step ahead of the other side. That's the only way we will win, and win big. I may be wrong, but let me know what you think in the comment section.